2, 1.
Hi, Frank Rose here with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, here with our new 2021 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This boat's equipped with a 115 horse Mercury command thrust motor. You've got a boarding ladder and swim platform here on the outside. Let me hop in here and show you the Now this boat has removable jump seats that have backs that drop in here. These also can be used as rod holders. You have handrails on the inside, the Bimini top. This boat is also fully equipped with electronics. We have GPS fish finder by Marine here, slot for putting a navigation card, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, your gauges, switches for all your lighting and everything. You have a couple of stainless steel drink holders up here and compass. This boat's also equipped with the fishing package, so we have 4 additional rod holders here in the front, a cooler seat that is removable with a backrest. It has your bow cushions for extra seating, and underneath your anchor lockers and storage. There are more drink holders off here to the side. There are grab rails everywhere. This one's also equipped with a Bimini top. These, if you are interested in one of these boats, please give me a call. Frank Rose, 401-783-0783, MarineMax. Thank you very much.